Hey guys, it's Britt Buntain here. I just wanted to hop in here really quickly and tell you a little bit about these branding kits that Brianna and I have been working so hard on. I know it can be really overwhelming and intimidating to design a brand and DIY everything yourself when you're starting out in your business. So we did all that for you. Brianna wanted me to go through all of the Wellness Stock Shop images and curate collections, all based on individual personalities and feels and vibes for a brand. So I did that individually for each collection, curated all the photos, and then I chose a color palette for you based on those images. We have a font library, so you don't have to wonder like which font goes with what. All of that guesswork is done. It's amazing. Something like this would normally cost $2,000 to $3,000 if I was doing it custom for a client, and that's all done. It's all done for you for a fraction of the cost. It's pretty great, and we're really proud of them. Please let us know if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna make myself available on Instagram this week at Britt_Buntain. If you're not sure like what color to use for your logo or what photo to use at the top of your website, anything like that, just DM me and I'll get back to as many of you as I can. I hope you guys love them, and I hope that this helps up-level your business.